Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Han and I'm going to be taking you through yet another amazing video. Now in this video we are going to be customizing our desktop look to make it look awesome and really cool. As you can see right here with mine, I have the Windows icon on the left, then my icons are in the center. This is Windows 10 Pro, it's not Windows 11 where they are in the center by default. And then this amazing wallpaper. If you are wondering how I got this MacoS cursor, I have a video about it on the channel. I'll be leaving a link up here in the top right corner so you guys can check it out. It's really cool and it doesn't lag your PC in any way. So as you can see, the icons are in the center and then this icon is on the left, and then we have many more icons on the right, and I'm going to be showing you just that in a second. But before getting to the video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to do not miss any updates, and of course don't forget to turn on the bells in order not to miss any updates. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So right here, what we are going to do. Alright, so your desktop right now might look something like this or something else, but I guess it's really awful and you don't want to see it. You want to see a cool and basic good looking desktop. Alright, so let's begin by removing these icons of our desktop home. So you're going to right click and then go to view, then uncheck show desktop icons, and that should remove the icons for us. So let's remove the people icon as well. We're going to right click on our taskbar and then go to uncheck show people on taskbar, and that should remove it as well. So we are going to remove this search box, the Cortana search box. So you want to right click on your taskbar and then go to Cortana, and then if you want you can just show the Cortana icon right here, but I don't want it in my case, so I'm just going to go to hidden to remove it as well. Let's remove the task view icon as well. So right click on your taskbar again and then uncheck show task view button, and that should remove it as well. So in order to get our icons in the center, all you want to do is just right click on your taskbar, go up here on the top on toolbars, and then check links, and that should bring something like this on your screen. So you wanna if you hover over these two lines, if you drag it all the way to the right, it's gonna extend your icons, and then it's gonna bring it from the left, from the right, my bad. So and then you want to drag your icons to where you want them to be, maybe in the center. So I want them in the center, but I might not be perfect, but you guys, I know you'll be perfect and you will perfect your center. So I'm just going to drag them over there. Okay, so in order to remove this title, you want to right click on your taskbar and then remove show title, and that should remove it. Then we want to remove these two vertical lines. You want to right click on your taskbar and then check lock the taskbar, and that should lock your taskbar. Alright, so we are pretty much done with the taskbar. It's nice looking. Let's change our wallpaper, right? So let's go to start, and then maybe let's type file explorer, and that should open our file explorer. Go to the downloads. I'll leave a link to this wallpaper down in the video description, so I'll just set it as the background, desktop background, and that should give us that nice looking desktop that you saw earlier, guys. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course don't forget to turn on the bells in order to do not miss any updates. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one.